Hello everyone, this is Antesh Kalada from Kalada Academy. So today in this video, I'll discuss on how to use Facebook to find candidates for your company instead of using job portals like Monster, Naukri, Times Jobs. So first of all, let me explain to you why I decided to use Facebook ads instead of job portals. So first thing, I wanted someone who is available to join immediately. If you're trying to go and post in a job portal, let's say if you post a job today, you're not going to get very good number of responses in 24 hours. Your job posting would be live on those sites for at least 15 to 30 days, and that's a time period for you to get good responses, 15 to 30 days. In my case, I wanted someone to join in maximum 2 or 3 days. Another thing, I wanted someone with an MBA. So, and next thing, before calling them for interviews, I wanted to check their Facebook profile. See, if you check someone's Facebook profile, you'll get to understand a lot about their life and if they are an introvert, if they are an extrovert. Lots of details about these people would be available in their Facebook profiles. So I just wanted to check their Facebook profiles as well. And next thing, I wanted someone who lives in Bangalore and it should be somewhere nearby to my office. And I wanted an affordable option. And in the next page, I'll show you what's the pricing that is charged for by these job portals for a job posting. And another thing is, I wanted to filter out the candidates that are not qualified. Let me explain what is this. First of all, to make a job posting, you don't want to run Facebook ads. When you go to your Facebook page, there will be an option here called job. You can basically give all your job details and post jobs, and if you want you can also boost job. But the thing is that you'll be getting a lot of spam applications. See, if I wanted someone for the post of a business development executive, I'll be getting applications from people who are not even comfortable speaking in English. So I want to filter out candidates like this. That's why I went with Facebook ads. So moving to the next slide, this is the pricing from one of the top job portals. See, for one quick job posting, they are charging $8.99. Plus, there will be 18% GST. So it should be somewhere around 1030 rupees or something. And the main disadvantage here is that I have to wait at least 10-15 days to get a very good number of applications. So let me show you what I did with Facebook ads to get a good number of candidates with a very short period of time. So this is the campaign I have been running. As you can see, I put a daily budget of 500 and yeah, for lifetime, I'll be stopping this campaign today because I already got 3 excellent candidates from this. Till now, I have spent 820 rupees and I received 12 responses on Facebook. And of these 12 Facebook responses, I have already called them and 3 of them looks like excellent people for this job. So I'll be interviewing them this week, probably today or tomorrow, and hiring one of them. But I was astonished at the results which I got from this. As you can see, in just 2 days, I was able to find 3 very excellent candidates for my job. So if you are running an HR consultancy firm or recruitment firm, this would be really helpful for you. I'll show you the exact campaign I ran. And let's click on edit. As you can see, I put a daily budget of 500. And for the location, I choose the option people who live in this location because I want their houses to be in Bangalore because such people won't leave the job easily. In normal cases, everyone in this location would be selected. That means that someone who has recently visited Bangalore also will be shown this ad. I don't want that. I want people who are nearby my office. That's why I choose this option. Next, I know who is an ideal candidate for me. For me, an ideal candidate is a woman between the ages of 22 to 35 and she should have an MBA. So that's why I have given the age group 23 to 35 women. She should know English. And coming to the bottom, you can see the targetings I have set. Demographics, education, fields of study, business management, business studies, Master of Business Administration, MBA, MBA Marketing and Finance, MBA Marketing Management, and again Master of Business Administration. So basically, see my potential reach 10,000 people. These 10,000 people are laser target audience for my job. See, my job here is a business development executive who is ready to call and convince students to join programs offered by Calada Academy. So basically calling and converting students. And this will be a target based job. So I have found from my experience that people with an MBA background is suitable for this job. So that's why I have given all this. And if you want to know how I went through this, you can just click browse. Under demographics, there is something called as education. Under fields of study, you can give the field. So if you type whatever is your degree you are required, you'll get some search results. If I type MBA, in most cases it won't be visible here because it's already added here, fields under fields of study. Then you can choose the universities. For example, if you want someone who is studying nearby, in my case, I think Christ College is nearby. See, Christ University. Christ University is nearby to my office. So someone who has passed from Christ University and who lives in a 40-kilometer radius in Bangalore would be an excellent candidate. So I can also target at a university level. You can even choose their year of passing. See here, education, undergraduate years, and you will be able to give their years as well here. And yeah, so that's basically it. This is the exact targeting I have used. Sorry, it has already added here. I don't want to add the year of passing right now because I'm targeting between 23 to 35. But if you're someone who wants candidates who have just recently passed out, you can give the years here. I'll just cancel this. It's not needed. So that's it. So this is the targeting. And as for the placements, leave it as automatic placements. Facebook will automatically adjust it for you. And for now, I am not using the course control options. And let me just discard this draft. Yeah. And once I'll just also show you the ad copy which I have used. So this is the ad copy. This is the exact ad copy I used. We are looking for an efficient business development executive for Calada Academy, a training center based in Bangalore, and starting salary is between 25,000 to 35,000. So that's basically it. And as for the headline, again, business development executive job opening. And please note that I am using lead generation ads. I have already created a form here. If you want to create a form, all you have to do is create a lead form and you can create a form easily. And that's basically everything. Oh, I have also added a CTA button, that is apply now. So once they click on apply now, they will be redirected to a page where they can submit their email ID as well as their phone number. So this is the exact settings I have used, and as you can see, this ad set, I have spent a budget of 820 rupees and I have received 12 good responses, out of which I called all of them and 3 seems to be excellent candidates for this job role. So basically with 820 rupees, I was able to hire an excellent candidate for my job opening. So I hope you guys learned something new from this tutorial. If you have any doubts at all, please post it in the comment section below. Thank you. Have a great day.